I really establish credit without a social security number in the US? If that's your concern, then you've come to the right place. Welcome back to our channel, and today we will be focusing on establishing credit in the US without a social security number. Before we get started, I must remind you to take note of our full disclaimer in the description below. Let's get started. It is possible to establish credit in the United States without a social security number, SSN, although it can be more challenging. Here are 5 ways you can start building credit. Number 1. Apply for an individual taxpayer identification number, ITIN. An ITIN is a tax processing number issued by the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, to individuals who are not eligible for a social security number. You can use an ITIN to apply for credit and begin building a credit history. Number 2. Open a secured credit card. With a secured credit card, you make a deposit with the card issuer, which then becomes your credit limit. You can use the card to make purchases and payments, and your payment history will be reported to the credit bureaus, helping you establish credit. Number 3. Apply for a credit builder loan. Some banks and credit unions offer credit builder loans, which are designed to help people build credit. With a credit builder loan, you borrow a small amount of money and make regular payments over a set period of time. Your payment history is reported to the credit bureaus, helping you establish credit. Number 4. Become an authorized user. If you have a friend or family member who has good credit, you can ask to become an authorized user on one of their credit accounts. As an authorized user, you can make purchases and payments, and the payment history will be reported to the credit bureaus under your name. Number 5. Rent reporting services. You can sign up with a rent reporting service that will report your rental payments to credit bureaus. This can help you establish credit by showing that you are a responsible borrower. It's important to note that establishing credit without a social security number may take longer and require more effort, but it is possible with the right approach. Also note that there are pros and cons to each option listed, and those will be explored in greater detail in future videos. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you found this video insightful and informative. If you learned something new today, then I consider that a job well done. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos. I'll be back next week with more great content on immigration and immigration law. Until then, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.